Hello viewers, I'm Paul White and welcome to Paul's Train Vlogs. Anyway viewers, I'm back at Epping. I'm going to film a few trains for my loyal viewers. If you haven't yet subscribed to Paul's Train Vlogs, please hit that subscribe button on the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and also don't forget to please ring the notification bell to receive notifications about my current and future releases. And thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs.
To Newcastle Interchange. First stop Hornsby, then Woy Woy, Gosford, Tuggerah, Wyong, then all stations to Broadmeadow, then Hamilton and Newcastle Interchange. For your safety, please remain behind the yellow line at all times and allow others to get off before boarding.
Please mind the gap between the train and the platform. Smoking, including e-cigarettes, is not allowed at this station. Fines apply. Thank you. Riding bicycles, skateboards, scooters or skates on the concourse or platforms is not permitted.
The train on platform 1 goes to Boyle via Strathfield. First stop Eastwood, then all stations to Strathfield, then Burwood, Redfern. Platform 2 goes to Hornsby. First stop Cheltenham and then all stations to Hornsby.
Okie dokie, viewers. That's all for this episode of Paul's Train Vlogs. It's time to wrap up the video. Please subscribe to Paul's Train Vlogs. Please feel free to like and favourite my videos. And also don't forget to please ring the notification bell to receive notifications about my current and future releases. Thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs, and I will see you in the next episode. Until next time, it's goodbye for now.